Hey, this is Mike from Altair. I just want to show you the Altair Outlaw today, and we're going to take the propellers off and put the propellers back on. So we're going to walk you through it step by step. So if you come take a look at the Outlaw propellers, each Outlaw propeller is labeled with an A or with a B. Additionally, the arms of the Outlaw are labeled with an A or with a B. So you know it's going to get an A or a B style propeller. Make sure the B's always go across from each other and the A's always go across from each other. So to uninstall the propeller, you look at the propeller, it says this is a B, and it says to tighten it is clockwise and to loosen it is counterclockwise. So inside the Altair Outlaw box, you're going to get a little wrench just like this for removing the propellers. Open it, slide it on the top, and we're going to go counterclockwise to loosen this. Super simple, just take it off like that, set it aside. We suggest you only change one propeller at a time so that you don't get the propellers for the whole drone confused. When you're taking the propeller off, gently slide up from the bottom. There's a little silicone ring right there that you might lose, so put your thumb over the top of it like this and slide it off so that you don't lose the little silicone ring. Okay, now when you're reinstalling the propeller, the underside of the propeller only fits onto the screw in one orientation. So slide it on and then gently go around until you can feel it sliding, latching, and then push down. And you'll see the screw come out. And then put the silicone circle on, the ring. Okay, and now we know it's labeled right here. This propeller is a B, so we're gonna go clockwise to tighten it. Put it on, turn it clockwise. Turn it until it's hand tight. Okay, you got it hand tight. Now squeeze and grip it and go one more full circle. If it stops, that means it's tight. Don't try to push it past where it stops. That's how you do it. You have some extra silicone rings in here in the box with you in case you lose any. Just change them one propeller at a time. Make sure the A on the arm goes with the A on the propeller and the B on the arm goes with the B on the propeller. If it's not unscrewing, you're probably turning it the wrong direction, so try turning it the other direction, because some of them screw tight clockwise and some of them screw tight counterclockwise. So just be aware of that. Look on the propeller, it'll tell you just what to do.